Hi, welcome to the 9th video in this learning series where we are going to learn SQL by solving coding challenges. There is a link in the description. You can use that to land in this page. And on this page, make sure you have check solved, unsolved, and SQL basic. Okay. Today, we are going to solve weather observation station 4. So open it. Here, the problem is to find the difference between total number of cities and total number of distinct cities. All right. So tell me, how do you find the total number of cities in this table station? So you can use this statement, select count of city from station to find the count of cities in this table, okay? So count is a function, city is the field, and station is the table, all right? Now tell me, how do we find the count of distinct cities? All you have to do is just put this keyword distinct inside this count function, okay? This will give you the count of distinct cities in this table. Okay. In our case, we want to find the difference between total number of cities and total number of distinct cities. So we have to hold this information somewhere. So how will we hold this information, right? So we can use something called a common table expression to create a one-time result set and hold this information under an alias. Okay. Let me show you the syntax. So you can give an alias and place your query here. Select count of city. You can even alias this field. So I'm going to call this field total cities from station table. Okay. Let's extract that information. Select star from table A. And let's run this. So what is happening here? So I'm creating intermediate result and I'm holding this information under this alias table A. And in the select statement, I'm extracting that information. Okay. So let's see the result first and proceed. All right, you can see the count of cities. Now let's extract the count of distinct cities. Okay. So put a comma here. Don't forget to put a comma here. Okay. And give it an alias. I'm going to use table B and place your query here. Select count of, don't forget to put distinct here because we want the count of distinct cities, right? So count of distinct city, you can give an alias to this field. I'm using this alias distinct cities and specify the table name. Okay. Over here, let's extract this information. All right, what is happening here? I'm creating intermediate result, and in the select statement, I'm extracting that out. Okay. I will talk about the syntax, but let's see the result first. All right, you can see the count of cities and you can see the count of distinct cities. Okay. Now let's talk a little bit about this syntax. Okay. So there are two different syntax to perform a join operation. One is called an explicit join, another is called an implicit join, right? So let me show you the syntax. So in an explicit join, you specify the table you want to join using the join keyword and the condition of join using the on keyword, okay? And in an implicit join, you simply list the table you want to join separated by a comma. That's all. But there is a problem, right? This is implicit join, and implicit join will perform a cross join. So what is a cross join? So in a cross join, we use cross join to generate a paired combination of each row of first table with each row of second table. So you have to be very careful because the number of rows in the result of a cross join is the product of number of rows in table A and number of rows in table B. Okay. In our case, let me explain this. I'm creating this intermediate result. The result in this case is the count of cities. It is just one row, right? I'm holding this information under this alias table A. And over here, I'm holding this information about the count of distinct cities under this alias table B. So there is only one row in table A and there is only one row in table B. So when I perform a cross join, the result will have only one row. Okay, so that's what's happening here. And let's just finish this. Okay, so we have everything we need. We have everything we need to compute the difference, right? So we can simply finish this problem. So I'm going to call table A as A, and I'm going to call table B as B. And over here, I'm going to target this field total cities, okay? A dot total cities minus B dot distinct cities, okay? That's all. If you want, you can give an alias to this field as well. Anyway, I'm going to do that. All right, let's run this. All right, we are done, right? You can see the result here. That's it. So yeah, see you in the next step.